Hi, in this video we will learn how you can install the all these applications Chrome extension in the Chrome extension browser, and for Just Dial Data Extractor and the Google Map Data Extractor and other data extractor, how you can use that for bulk data extractor in easy way. So first we will learn how to install this Chrome extension. Here as of now we have these three products, that is WhatsApp bulk message sender, Google Map Data Extractor and Just Dial, and we are coming soon with a few more products in future like Facebook Data Extractor, India Mart Data Extractor and others. So suppose if you want to install a Just Dial Chrome extension in your Chrome browser, just click on Learn. Before installing, I want to update you that you can use all this software as a free trial for small downloads, and once your free trial finish, if you want to go ahead with the 1 year license, you have to upgrade that product, and for upgradation you will need a license key. So let me show you first how to install this product. So first of all, just click on here free trial demo. Once you click, you will get the Chrome extension link, and once you click uh, your Chrome browser, it will divert you to the download section. From you can see Just Dial Data Extractor Info Scraper. You have to install this application in your Chrome extension. Click on Add Extension, and now you can see that Just Dial Data Extractor has been added to a Chrome. And once you close this pop-up, to see that Chrome extension, you have to click on this black, and you have to Just Dial Data Extractor. You have to click on the pin to get your Chrome extension over here in the browser. As of now, you can see the Chrome, this Just Dial Chrome extension you cannot see here. So just click on the pin. Now you can see this Chrome extension start appearing here. Just click on that Chrome extension, and it's showing to start the free trial. Now you can start the free trial and type your keyword and enter location and start the process. And once you finish the free trial, you just click on upgrade a pro. Through this upgrade the pro, you will get a license key from our side, and you will be eligible to use this application for 1 year for unlimited downloads. Let me show you. Now you have to enter the email and the license key. License key will be provided by us. So to get this license key, you have to share your email ID and password. So let me update here a dummy email ID and license key. So let me copy the license key from here, sorry, email ID and the license key which I created for this dummy account. Okay, and now click on the save. Now great, you will get this green signal, great, your setting has been saved. And now you can see there is a nothing here to upgrade for pro, and now you can use this application for 1 year for unlimited user. I'm sorry. Let me tell you some important tips. This installation is applicable on our all product, as our all products are Chrome extension based application. So this is the way you can install our application, and this is the way you can upgrade for pro version. Now I am giving you a few hint uh, how to use this. These are some issues. Uh, these are some issues happened with our older users, and for those I'm creating this video. First of all, this application is valid only for one PC. You can use only in one PC. If you install this Chrome extension in another PC, and if you use this license key, then this license key will not work in other PC. first point. Let me type over here so you will understood better. First, use the license key only in one PC. The second point is uh, I have already logging this Chrome extension with my Gmail ID, and this is the Gmail ID where I can see all my installed Chrome extensions. If I change the logging, then I cannot see this Chrome extension, because in this email ID only I have installed all this Chrome extension. So if I change the email ID from here, Chrome extension email ID, I'm not talking about the Gmail ID. I'm not talking about your Google login. I'm talking about your Chrome extension login. So if I change the Chrome extension login to another email, and if I again install any of our Chrome extension, and if I add the this license key, then again it will not work. So this license key is used only one Gmail account. Instead of writing Gmail, Chrome account. So these two are very important things you have to keep in mind for all the products mentioned on this info scraper, and all our upcoming products, that you have to use the license key only in one PC and use only in one Gmail. And the third, or I can say it will be first, that use the license key within 12 hours. After 12 hours, license key will expire. When we give you license key, use that license key within I'm sorry, within 12 hours, and you can use that application for 1 year. If you not use that license key, means if you not add that license key in your this Chrome extension browsers and upgrade for Pro, then after 12 hours this license key will be get expire. So this license key will get expire. So these are the very important things you have to keep in mind for the smooth function of your software. And if any issue you are facing, you can just mail me on contact at that kaushalpandey.com, or you can visit on kaushalpandey.com, and you can, there is a chat button, you can just chat me and share your problem. And I have some more tips how to use the data extractor software that I will show you in the next video. So thank you.